Thank you, Rabia, for presenting the first part of the presentation. I'm Samer Zani, and I will be presenting to you the second part of the presentation, and I will be discussing about quantitative analysis that we have conducted using numerical methods. So here on the slide, we will be discussing about the income. So the monthly income of the clients falls between 3,000 and 4,500, which is equal to 48.5%. And the other clients with a percentage of 30.3 has a salary between 6,000 and 7,500. And very small percentage of the clients has, which is equal to 19.7%, has a salary between 7,500 and 9,000. So also what we saw in this analysis that the highest monthly income in this sample that was provided is 8,210 USD, and the lowest salary is 3,710, and the median income is 5,705. So approximately we have 50% of the client's income that is less than 5,705. Also, we have found that there was no outliers detected, from the monthly income. Now I will be discussing about the analysis that we have conducted on the house value. So the results show that the highest frequency of the house value falls between 200,000 and 300,000, which is approximately equal to 40%, followed by 36.4% for the house value that is between 300,000 and 400,000 USD. I just wanted to show you that the highest house value in the sample is 377,500, and where the lowest is 112,500 USD. Also, there was no outliers found in the house value. And here we are discussing in this slide the quantitative analysis on MTIR, where MTIR has a direct relationship with the risk. So the results show that the highest frequency of MTIR falls between 7% and 10% MTIR, which is 40.9% of the population, where the lowest frequency falls between 14 and 17% MTIR, which is equal to 6.1%. Also, the highest MTIR in the sample was 16.7%, and the lowest is 2.4%. And 50% of the clients' MTIR are less than 9.6%. So here we are discussing the analysis that we have conducted between qualitative and quantitative data. So female versus male, and in the first column, you can see that the income related to female is much higher compared to the male. On the second column, also we saw that the house value related to female, which is 272K, is higher than the male. On the third column, we did the analysis related to MTIR for females, which is approximately 8.6%, where the male is 9.6%, where now also the MTIR for male, which is related to risk, is higher. As a summary, the relationships between variables is as follows. Female clients requesting for mortgage is 51%, which is higher compared to males with a total percentage of 48%. 36% of the clients choose the town as location, while 32% of the clients choose either suburb or city. 75% of the clients are at low risk, while 25% are at high risk. The coefficient of skewness provide evidence that the monthly income, the house value, and the MTIR distributions are almost symmetric. Males are less paid compared to females, reflecting on high MTIR for males. However, The house value for females is higher than males. Females under low risk has always high salary compared to males. Also, the clients with MBA and MS and PhD and including bachelor holders degree has a higher salary compared with high school or other college clients. So here we have begun analyzing the high risk loan. We found that 75% of clients are at low risk, while 25% are at high risk. And this is illustrated in this picture below. The majority of the clients of the high risk loan belong to a median income level that is below 4,110 USD. And you can see here as well the tableau, how it is illustrating the details. So here we continue the analysis on the high-risk loan. The majority of the high-risk loan clients belong to an education category of some college with a percentage of 42%. And this is illustrated in the table below. In addition, in this bar view, you can see that the client with an MBA or PhD is falling as low-risk clients as illustrated. As a continuation, also we have found that the gender, as illustrated in the first bar graph, has no significant relationship on risk. So there is 8 female and 9 males who falls under the high risk. Below the other bar graph, we found also that the house location, as illustrated, has no significant relation on risk. After conducting all this analysis on risk, now my colleague Rani will be discussing in details the hypothesis that we have conducted on this data sample that was provided. Rani, for you. Thank you very much.